Good afternoon, students. Today 11th Accountancy Final Account. Last class we are discussed about final account. Sum number 1 and 2 we are studied. Final account 3 category: trading account and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Trading account means trading, buying and selling a goods. The firm main motive is making profit only. First one, the financial account. First step is trading account. Listen, students, this chapter you use is double side paper. You use double side paper only. Do not write single side. You write only double side paper only. You write. Okay. Listen, student. First step, trading account. You write trading account for the year end of which year, means that year you write. Double side, one side is DR, another side is CR. DR means, listen students, trading account means you write simple entries only. One DR is opening stock, CR side means closing stock. Next, purchase, DR side, sales, CR side. DR side means the balancing figure. Balancing figure means one side is, both side is equal amount only, but one side is highest, one side is lowest, means you some amount is you insert. Okay, that insert means one side highest total minus lowest total, you insert the some amount, that is DR side you insert means that is profit, but you CR side insert means that is loss only. Okay, listen students, DR side opening stock, purchase, wages, profit. This 4 entry very important only. This 4 entry commonly you write DR side only. Opening stock, purchase, wages, gross profit. CR side by sales, closing stock and gross loss. Loss means you write CR side only. Okay. Again one time I am telling students, listen everybody, clearly watch this video. Trading account, you write trading account, you centrally you write this sum, you write your double side paper, one side DR, another side is CR, particulars, amount. First you write DR side means opening stock. This entry is a main, this entry only you write in DR side. Opening stock, purchase account to gross profit account, wages. CR side by sales, by closing account or gross profit or gross loss only you write CR side. Profit means DR side. Loss means you write CR side. Okay. Next, sum number 6. Everybody listen. First step is trading account. Now we are discuss about sum number 6. From the following information, prepare the profit and loss account. Second method, second step is what? Profit and loss account. First one time I read questions. Gross profit. Gross profit means you which side you write? Trading account. Profit means DR side. Loss means CR side. That is trading account. Next one, carriage outwards, office rent, office stationery, distribution expense, advertisement expense, bad debt, dividend received, discount received, rent received. Listen students, this profit and loss account you write income oriented content, you write only CR side. Income oriented content. Some expense you write only in DR side. Listen students, profit, income received content full and full you write only CR side. You write CR side only. Expense full and full. You write only DR side. Okay. First one, gross profit. Gross profit means income or loss. Profit is income. Gross profit income means by gross profit B by D. How much? 1,50,000. Next one, received. Received means that is income. Which one? Dividend is received. Received means you write DR side. By discount received. Received oriented content you write only CR side. By rent received you write CR side. Next one, to carriage outward expense, office rent expense, office stationaries expense, distribution expense, advertisement expense, some bad debts. Bad debts means you give some person long time not return, long time not return the amount, that is bad debt. Long time not return, that is bad debt. Next one, you write, listen student, both side equal amount only, both side equal amount only. First one, trading account, some balancing figure name is gross profit. That gross profit is reflection in profit and loss account. Next one, profit and loss account, some one side is highest, one side is lowest amount. You insert in some amount. You easy to highest total. Highest total means how much? 1,70,000 is highest total. But this side is 50,300 only, this side total, but this side is same, both sides is equal 1,70,600 means some amount you insert the DR side. That insert the name amount is net profit. Insert name is what? Net profit. Net profit transfer to the capital account. You write bracket net profit transfer to capital account. Okay. One side is highest total, one side is lowest total means highest total minus lowest total. You insert the balancing figure value. Easy to assume, easy to guess the balancing figure value. This side is balancing figure value is 1,20,300. Okay, 1,20,300 you insert means automatically both side total is same only. DR side and CR side, this both sides is total is equal only. Equal means your sum is correct only. Listen students, trading and profit and loss account. Trading account means one side opening, one side closing stock, one side purchase wages, another side one sales only you write. Next one, profit and loss account means next easy some tips means DR side full and full income oriented content only you write. DR side income oriented content only you write. CR side you full and full expense only. Full and full expense oriented content only you write. Next one, the both sides total is equal only, but one side is highest, one side is lowest total means you insert the sum amount. You insert the sum amount, that amount name is net profit. You insert the DR side means you insert net profit, but CR side you amount is insert means that is net loss. Net profit or net loss, that is net profit transfer to capital account. Okay, listen students, sum number 7. From the following information, prepare the profit and loss account for the year end 31st December 2017. Listen students, gross profit is which side? You write see or side only you write. Open your classwork note, you write double side paper. Open your double side no paper. Centrally you write profit and loss account, the year end of 31st March 2017. Okay, listen student, this year you more concentrate in illustration sums. Okay, more practice the sums. First one, gross profit. Gross profit means you enter the side, income. Gross profit means income. Next one, freight outwards. Freight outwards means that is the expense. Next one, salesman commission paid. Salesman commission paid means automatically paid means you expense only, outgoing. Expense means your cash is outgoing, that is you write DR side only. Next one, promotional expense, you write DR side. Office telephone expense, DR side. Bad debt recover means finished, long time not return the amount, one time, the time is recover, you fully paid amount, pay you fully return means automatically income only. Bad debt recover means you write CR side. Interest received means you income. Financial charges means you outgoing is DR side. Next one, repair and vehicles are used in office. Repair and vehicles used in office, that is expense, DR side. Interest paid, you write DR side. Rent received, you write CR. Income received means you write CR side. Expense means you write DR side. Carriage inwards you write DR side, that is listen. Next you write both side. One side is highest total, another side is lowest total. This sum is DR side is 84,900, but CR side is 73,100 only. You some amount you insert, but insert that time only both sides are equal only. The insert amount means DR side means net profit. Listen, DR side means net profit, but CR side means net loss only. Net loss is how much? 11,800. 11,800 net loss transferred to capital account. Okay, listen students, you note it down your classwork, you more practice, more concentrate in this part of sum. This is Kalvi channel, full and full explaining only illustration sums, more concentrate in illustration sum. Okay, listen students, you note it down your classwork. Okay, okay students, next class we will discuss next one new topic. Listen students, you write double side paper only, do not write question, only you write corner page, you write question number and page number only you write, you write solution, you solution this lesson. Double side paper only you use. Okay, single side you do not use. Listen students, do not tear the paper, you write neat handwriting, neat presentation. Okay, thank you students.